What is the myth of the kraken? Have you ever heard of the kraken? This legendary sea monster has been the subject of many myths and legends for centuries. But what is the truth behind the kraken? In this video, we will explore the myth of the kraken. We will learn about its origins, its appearance, and its impact on popular culture. We will also examine the scientific evidence for the existence of the kraken. Origins of the kraken. The kraken is a mythical sea monster that is said to have originated in Norse mythology. The first written mention of the kraken is in the Orkneyingar saga, which was written in the 12th century. In this saga, the kraken is described as a giant sea serpent that could swallow ships whole. The kraken was also mentioned in other Norse sagas, such as the saga of Olaf Tryggvason and the saga of Harald Fairhair. In these sagas, the kraken is described as being even more fearsome than in the Orkneyingar saga. It is said to have been able to reach the bottom of the ocean and to have caused tsunamis. Appearance of the kraken. The kraken is often described as a giant octopus or squid. It is said to have had 8 tentacles, each of which was as long as a ship. The kraken's body is also said to have been as large as a small island. In some depictions, the kraken is shown to have a head with a beak and eyes. In other depictions, the kraken is shown to have no head at all. The kraken has had a significant impact on popular culture. It has been featured in many books, movies, and television shows. The kraken is also a popular character in video games. The kraken has also been used as a symbol of fear and destruction. In the 20th century, the kraken was used by the Nazis to symbolize the power of Germany. Scientific evidence for the existence of the kraken. There is no scientific evidence for the existence of the kraken. However, there have been reports of giant sea creatures that could be mistaken for the kraken. For example, in 2004, a giant squid was caught off the coast of Japan. The squid was over 50 feet long and weighed over 500 pounds. It is possible that the kraken is based on real-life sea creatures, such as giant squids. However, there is no way to know for sure. The kraken is a fascinating mythical creature. It has been the subject of many myths and legends for centuries. While there is no scientific evidence for the existence of the kraken, it is still a popular figure in popular culture. If you are interested in learning more about the kraken, I encourage you to do some research on your own. There are many books and articles available on the topic. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.